Hey there, kids. Lance here, Wild Pitch. Well, I was gonna do a box break video, and I just realized, unless you're invested in the break, team break or whatever, you probably don't want to sit through 20 minutes of watching somebody else rip open packs. Especially someone like me who doesn't always exactly have that much to say. And anybody that watched that first video knows I really don't have much to say. So, went through, got a bunch of base, got my friends helping me. So, we'll just start, I'll show you we'll go through some of the inserts that we got here. It's free agent 40s, Jackson, a little bit of Albert, a little bit of Roger Clemens, and David Ortiz. And we had some inspired plays. Got the big hurt on this one. Griffey in here. Mr. Mattingly, leader of the Dodgers. We all know who these guys are, right? McCutcheon. Old Willie. I don't know. Anyways, Jim Rice, and you know what? I always mess up pronouncing his name, so I'm not even gonna try because I'll just mess it up and then y'all make fun of me. Which you probably do anyways, but then we had some first pitch cards. Kind of fun. Unless you get 50 cents, then it's just funny. Highlights cards. Jeter, Ruth, Schmidt, Catfish, Hunter, McGuire, Verlander, all kinds of goodies. Conseco, and yeah, we're back to the beginning there. Nothing too special there. Got these guys. Nolan Ryan, Mr. Strawberry, and we had some on the other side. We had Shaggy, which I don't know if you can hear the TV running, but kids have got Scooby-Doo running, so American Bandstand. And we had Alright, we had Griffey, Walsh, Cobb, Jeter, Mays, and the last, I believe it was the last 40, was he the last player to wear 42 ever? Maybe? I don't know, someone, we'll check into that. I know he was the last Yankees. Well, we got some rainbow foils here. I actually kind of like these. And of course you had the gold foils. All we got were gold. Gold and rainbow, that was it. No blacks, pinks. Had better luck in previous spots, but I mean, Shelby Miller. Multiple players there, so. Nationals. Nice looking cards. Numbered 2015, if you didn't know. You had two of these in every box of Hobby. Got Griffey, Nolan Ryan. Great looking cards. If you've ever had these in your hands, you know that they feel kind of soft, like a satin finish. Lovely cards. The one relic and or autograph hit was Freddie Freeman. Nice card. Nice little patch there. Nothing super rare. Nothing numbered or anything like that. And we had 2 buybacks per box. These ones were actually pretty clean. Anyone that's pulled any of these buybacks knows that they're usually pretty well trashed. So, turn that one the right way so you guys see the backs. In case you're not familiar with vintage. So, wait, this one. And then I went through all the base. I did check for short prints, and we did have something. There you go. Michael's got himself a short print with the sparkle right there. I will be putting this in a case as soon as I end this video. Alright, hopefully you enjoyed this video a little bit better than the previous one. Couldn't have been much worse. Oh, and I'm sure you can see the museum sitting there. Broke a box of that earlier this week. Camera didn't work properly, so I tried to record it, and it only lasted long enough to open the outside of the box. Anyways, a couple of the things we got out of there is this Kenny's Vargas Minnesota Twins triple patch autograph. That one is numbered to 249. That one's 170. And then, really the big one out of there was this guy here. 5 of 5. Copper auto. Good looking card. I really like this museum. Maybe next time we'll break one of these. Now that I got the video part kind of figured out. Maybe find some stuff to talk about. Be more to talk about if we break one of those, opposed to one of these. And, you know what? Tell me what you want to see. Maybe we can make it happen. Otherwise, like our videos. Feel free to subscribe if you want to. Don't forget to check out Wild Pitches auctions on eBay. We'll get some up. It's Wild Pitch 2012. That's the seller name. We'll fill it up with some of these goodies. Everybody goes home happy. Alright. Remember, love what you collect what you love. Later.